the tutorial on ThinkLink, you're going to start at Clever, and then you're going to log into ThinkLink. Remember that you're Clever, there's like a little cloud. Then once you're here, you're going to go to View Details on your Earth and Sun book. Once you're in View Details, you're going to scroll all the way down to where it says Investigation 3, Earth's Atmosphere, and you're going to click on the drop-down menu. Once you click on the drop-down menu, you're going to click on all the way down at Part 2, the Atmosphere, and you're going to click that down. That's going to pull up this little picture. It says Tutorial, Air, and Atmosphere. You're going to click Open. Once you click Open, it's going to give you the option to launch tutorial. It's going to show up in a new tab, and then you're going to press play.
Is all around us, yet it seems.
As you press play, you're going to go through all the activities, and then you're going to go back to the assignment and answer any questions.